That's a water truck.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't move.
It doesn't?
It's out of gas.
It's out of gas?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's out of gas. It's out of gas. Look, those are buried. It's full of wood. It's very wood. Rocks. It's two rocks. Oh, that one I just paper. Sink. For this rock.
Okay.
It's not heavy.
That's a big rock.
Oh, this is a big rock. Right here. That's a big rock road. And then, oh, that one's took that one. Oh, that one. Oh, tractor. This tractor's on the road. See the tractor?
Yeah?
The tractor.
It's an old tractor.
It's not old. Mine's on the road. Mine's on the road.
I don't know.
And mine's on the road. Two rocks. I found a bell there. I found cats. For this rock. Oh, that one's not heavy. How come this one's not heavy? It's not heavy. It's a poop.
I know.
What's poop?
Way back there. Do you want to keep looking at equipment?
No. Yeah.
You just want to throw rocks?
Something over there. There's down belly. Oh, it's here. Oh. No. It's just two rocks. What's that? Us. Almost. It was a stay. There's two rocks. There's two rocks.
Good job.
No. Oh, this one right here. Oh, tell me. Behind you. It's down behind you.
Whoa, you hit me with that one.
It's a tiny rock.
Yep.
It's so windy. Back. Oh, that was the dirt pile. Oh. Oh. Holy cow! Look, Daddy.
That's a big rock.
Whoa. Whoa. That's not. That's a big rock. Right.
Dozer, what do you think about all this? Are you having fun?
Yes.
He is?
Yes.
Dozer puppy. Dozer. Dozer, get on the dozer. Good boy. Do you want to get on the dozer? Go with him. Right here. I'll help you.
But I'm not ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm ready to move. There you go.
In there?
Yeah.
It's probably locked.
I got you.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Don't fall down.
Got you.
Yep.
Got you.
If you want.
Got you. Got you. Got you.
Dozer, up. Get on the dozer. Dozer, up.
Let's go up at the ball. It's the bottom. Oh, go look at this. Let's go up there. See what's at the bottom.
We can't go up there. That's not our property. But we can look at all the equipment and maybe go to a different job site.
No.
Oh.
Oh, go look at the scraper over there.
Let's go look at it.
See, it's way over there.
It is way over there. Do you need help?
Yeah. Yes. Get down. Get
Just walk and then I'll help you.
walk.
Yep.
Okay, I just walked. Daddy. Two. How once? A motorcycle.
Motorcycles?
I walked. Here.
You want to jump?
Yeah.
So this machine's called a push-pull scraper. And the way it works is it hooks onto another scraper. And this one pushes while the other one pulls. And they fill each other up.
Down.
Yep.
And one.
Yep.
And that one. And that one.
Yeah, you want to see how it hooks up?
Yeah.
Come look.
I hang up here.
That's the hydraulic.
No. It's not. Yeah. It's dirty right here. This good. See this thing? What is this thing?
Careful.
What is this thing?
That's part of the ejector.
I'm going to get you over there. What is this?
That's the wheel of the ejector.
What's up there?
That would be the front of the scraper bowl.
What is this?
That's the side of the can
What is that?
or bowl.
What is this up there?
That's the spill guard.
What's that? What's there?
Part of the spill guard.
What's that there? What's that there? What's right here?
Come on.
No.
Let's go. I'll show you how it hooks up.
Can't get in.
You want help?
No.
No?
Don't want to.
You see this big part? This is how they hook up. So a scraper puts its bail around here, and then this one pulls.
That's one on the side.
And this is called your bail right here.
One on the side.
So this scraper would hook to that piece, and then they push and pull. You want to drive it? I don't think we can drive it. Good job. Is that a big dozer? Dozer, up.
I can't get up here. Can I get up here?
if you want. Just don't fall.
Don't go in the dirt. Happy. I'll go. It's like tracks. I'll go flying. I'll go inside.
Inside there?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's probably locked.
I'll go from there.
Oh. You gotta come back down the way you went up.
Down there. I'll go down. Let me get down.
Okay, just be careful.